conference, national conference, where you are able to invite four distinguished guests, very eminent country. Dr. Gopalji Malavya is one of the national and international acclaimed personalities and consultants throughout India. Dr. Khandaram is an expert not only state politics, political situation of national or all India institutions, especially international. Dr. H. Mukherjee is from the Department of Political Science. He was not in Indian politics as a background, but also he advised to come the international situation of Indian politics.